Video number 12. Growing your channel with YouTube Shorts. YouTube is adding more updates to Shorts beta. If you learn how to use the features, you can grow your channel with short, vertical videos. Find out the latest updates and trends with YouTube Shorts so that you can better grow your channel. Watch this video. We have covered everything in detail. Latest updates to YouTube Shorts. With recent updates, you may have to think differently about the way you create short videos. The latest Shorts updates have revealed 4 undeniable truths. Shorts are appearing in search results, so you should absolutely create them. If you focus on making unique shorts that go viral, subscribers will find you. Every short needs a pinned comment. Musical shorts contain trends or dance challenges, which means you should research topics and songs before you press record. YouTube Shorts are becoming more discoverable. Don't hesitate to post them. Are you familiar with the Shorts shelf? This display area for short vertical videos has been on the app's homepage for months. Now it's also appearing on search pages. If you're posting shorts to YouTube, this is a new opportunity to get your content discovered. How to search for YouTube Shorts. Viewers can find shorts via search results, but not in the traditional topic-based way. Follow these steps to understand how they appear on YouTube. Open the YouTube mobile app. Next to your profile icon, click the magnifying glass at the top right corner of the screen. Type a channel name into the search bar and tap the appropriate result when it pops up. Scroll down past the first few results, the icon that takes you to the channel, latest posts from the channel, and regular horizontal videos until you see the Shorts beta shelf. If you don't post any shorts, your channel probably won't appear on its shelf. But you can easily fix this by posting a few shorts, searching for your channel, and seeing if the shelf appears. What about topic-based searches for YouTube Shorts? Performing a topic search instead of a channel search doesn't return the same results. There's no short shelf when we type the word Minecraft into the search bar, for example. The shelf only appears in search results when we type a channel name. If you're a how-to or educational creator making shorts, this is something to keep in mind. Viewers won't find your shorts by searching for a topic, but that's okay. Accept that views, not subscribers, are the immediate benefit of creating shorts. If you struggle to gain subscribers from shorts, that might intensify in the future. YouTube made some layout changes to the Shorts player, and the subscribe button is less prominent than it used to be. In the old layout, the subscribe button was red and higher up on the player. Now the button is gray and very close to the bottom of the screen. It seems like YouTube wants to take the emphasis off subscribers, at least for shorts. We're not sure why. What we do know is that views, not subscribers, have always been the biggest reward for posting shorts. For now, create the best shorts you possibly can. Make them so entertaining that people deliberately search for the subscribe button, even if it's harder to see. Use pinned comments to drive viewers from a short to additional content. Shorts are like TikTok. Viewers watch them quickly, swipe to the next video, and repeat the process as they cycle through content. It's hard to get people to slow down, but when they do, you should give them something to look at. The comment section is a good place to do this because subscribers are harder to gain with shorts. You should make sure each video has a pinned comment. Do some research to make unique music-driven shorts. On March 18, the platform unveiled a feature for adding music to shorts. The best part? You won't be penalized for violating copyright rules. As more creators get this tool, you should research which songs are appearing in certain videos. Then you can add something unique to a trend after seeing what others posted, hopefully making your content stand out. To start researching, look for the icon in the previous slide image. If you see it, that means the creator added the song from the Shorts camera tool. Tap the icon to see more shorts using that song. This is where your research will likely take off as you discover how the song is being used, if there's a challenge associated with it, and more. YouTube is slowly rolling out these features. You may not be able to do all the things in this video, but it's good to know what's coming. When the tools arrive in your app, be sure to do what we've mentioned here. Upload shorts without hesitation, making them entertaining. Use pinned comments and do your topic research. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video lesson.